look at each term and look to see what each term have in common. So we have 25y and we have 10 over here. So I'm going to find the highest common factor for 25 and 10. The highest common factor for 25 and 10 would be 5. Welcome back to the channel, people. Welcome back to Learning with the Passleys. Yeah, man, so if it's your first time watching this wonderful and educational YouTube channel, feel free to like, share, subscribe so that you can get more content like this. Yeah, man, so today I'm going to quickly show you how to factorize algebraic expression. Yeah, man, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Alright, so here we have an example, right? So this is the given 5x minus. First thing we need to do is to look at each term and see what is common, right? So the first term has a 5 and the second term has a 5. Therefore, 5 is common, so I can write 5 here and in bracket. No. But for rough work, x divided by 5. So this 5 cancel this 5, so x remain. So this is just for rough work. And 5y divided by 5. This 5 cancel this 5 equal y. So we have y, we have x, and we have y remain. But over here now, we can say this 5 cancel this 5, so we have x remain, put back the sign. This 5 cancel this 5, so we have y remain. Therefore, this is our answer. Yeah, man, this is our answer. So this is how we factorize algebraic expression, right? So this 5 cancel this 5, this 5 cancel this 5, we have y. And when we use this 5 to cancel this 5, we have x remain. And you see in the bracket, we have x minus y. So let us do another example. So what if you were given 25y minus 10, right? And you were asked to factorize this. As I mentioned before, you need to look at each term and look to see what each term have in common. So we have 25y and we have 10 over here. So what I am going to do now is I'm going to find the highest common factor for 25 and 10. The highest common factor for 25 and 10 would be 5. Therefore, I know that I can divide both terms by 5. So for rough work, 25y divided by 5, we have 5 itself, 1, 5 into 25, 5 times. So we have 5y remain. See that? And for the 10 now, we can divide 10 by 5. So 5 itself 1 time, 5 into 10 goes 2 times. So we have 2. So since we know that 5 is common between these two numbers, right? I can write 5 here, open bracket, 5 into 25 goes 5 times, and we have a y, minus 5 into 10 goes 2 times. Therefore, our answer is 5, open bracket, 5y minus 2, close bracket. Very easy. Yeah, man. So Maths on our channel. Easy to learn. So let us do another example. What? That's the thing I get sweet, you know. This time we're going to use more than two terms. I'm going to use more than two terms in this example. So I am going to write, what if you were given 5z x plus 10z y minus 15z p, right? You notice this problem has more than two terms. Yeah, man, it has more than two terms. This is basically a trinomial in a sense because it has three terms. So what we are going to do is to select we're going to look for the thing that is common in each term as usual. So we know that we have 5 is common because we know that 5 can divide exactly in all these numbers, right? However, 5 would be the highest common factor, right? So we know that we have to use 5. So now we look at the letters now. We have Z here, we have Z here, and we have Z here. Therefore, Z is also common. So we have X here, we have Y here, and we have P. So here, 5Z. See that? 5Z. Because Z is common. Right? So now 5Z cancel 5Z. So we have X remain. We have a plus. See that? Now we can say 5Z cancel this Z. So we have only Y here. So we're going to write Y. Minus. We have a minus sign. Now 5, or we can say 5Z into 15Z goes 3 times, and we have a P remain. So we close the bracket. If we should multiply 5Z by all the items in this bracket, we should get back what we start out with. Make any sense? Yeah, man. We should get back this. Yeah, man. Therefore, 5Z is common to 5ZX, 10ZY, and 15ZP. Therefore, we have it. We have 5Z outside the bracket. And if you look good, you realize that we basically work the distributive law backwards to factorize. Alright, so we are going to do another example. What if you were given mx plus my? This time we have two terms, but we only have letters. As I mentioned before, first thing you need to do is to look to see what is common in each term. We know that we have a m here and we have a m here. Therefore, we have to write the m outside, open bracket. So we have x plus y. See that? And if we should multiply this m by everything up here, we should get by the same thing that we start out with. So this is how we factorize algebraic expression. Yeah, man. So this brings us to the end of another informative lesson. And if you have any question regarding to this lesson, leave your comment in the comment section. Yeah, man. So thank you for watching Learning with the Passleys. See you next time. See you later. I am out.